Hey, are you Seth Fowler?
Yeah, man, what's up? How are you?
Like from the internet?
Yeah.
Like on YouTube and stuff?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm a huge fan. I love your videos.
Thanks, man. I really appreciate that. It's awesome.
So can I have some free stuff?
What?
Free stuff. Like, you probably have tons of, like, just stuff you don't need, like, in a vault. Like, you don't use it all. You're rich. You're loaded. So give me some stuff.
I mean, I'm not, but...
But I watch you for free on the internet when I'm not doing anything. You owe me.
Do I? I don't know what... I don't think so. I'm sorry. Can't help you.
Okay, well, dude, I love your videos. Keep it up, man. You're probably, like, the best ginger YouTuber with a big forehead.
That's cool. Thanks, man. Yeah, I guess. I don't know what else to say. Okay.
All right, man. See you later. Welcome to a very professional YouTube, hosted by a responsible adult. How awesome was Seth in that? That was absolutely phenomenal. If y'all didn't know already, I actually was a guest on Seth's channel. We opened a $975 beater box together. If you guys don't already follow Seth, definitely check him out. His videos are extremely informative, and he's just a magnificent human being, and I can't thank him enough for having me as a guest on his channel. You can watch that video right there if you want, or I'll put the link in the description. The box itself was $975. Me and MC Hammer didn't get a chance to break it down, but guess what? We're gonna do it for you right now!
Break it down!
So in my opinion, that was a really good box for $975, and I have a really tough decision about these bad boys right here. But anyways, welcome all you new folks that came over from Seth's channel. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. It's me, the dad joke telling, anti-Adidas numbskull of free internet television, SB Mitch. You could follow me on Twitter or Instagram at the handle that's on your screen right now, or you can go to my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. Just got revamped, actually. It's beautiful. But anything I pull out of this box and anything I've pulled out of other boxes is on that website for sale right now. But we're gonna do a video today, and that video is this here box that you cannot see. It's a Sole Supremacy Beater Box. Now, what is Sole Supremacy? Well, it's a sneaker shop in the Bay Area of California that has a Beater Box membership only program. Memberships are currently closed. They're moving locations right now, so they may open up some memberships. I don't really know. Your best bet to try and get one is to follow them on Twitter, turn on post notifications, and then when they say, hey, here's a membership, you'll be one of the first to be able to jump on it. They're kind of worth it, just in my opinion. These boxes are literally big boxes of sneakers in various sizes and conditions that you can flip for profit because they price them under market. This box in particular was $800 plus $40 to ship it here to Philadelphia. Shout out cream cheese! For a grand total of $840. This price range is usually pretty good, but either way, my friend that you saw in the beginning of the video, MC Hammer, and I are going to break it down to show you how much this box is actually worth according to fair market value versus how much I paid. No one knows what's in here. I don't know what's in here, so we have to open it to find out. So let's do that. This box is open. I don't open these boxes ahead of time because I really like the mystery aspect of it. But before we crack it open, look at that. That's clearance. They like to keep tabs on everything that comes out of this box. They let you, the viewer, know how much each shoe is worth according to data collected from GOAT, StockX, just basic secondary markets. I don't know why, but I'm gonna start with this box first. This is a massive box. It was on the top. I can tell what it is because it says what it is on the top. It's a Nike Hyper Adapt size 10. I've never actually seen any of these in hand, so this will be interesting. But it's a pair of Hyper Adapts. I guess it lights up. You can see it's a little bit worn on the bottom. It's an auto lacing shoe. So here, what looks to be the charging cables, I guess. Y'all, I have to like Google this to figure out how to charge it or anything, but I mean, it's cool, but it's weird. Yeah, so It's a size 10 auto lacing hyper adapt. Is this the BB? No, it's just the hyper adapt 1.0. I know the retail on these was like 800 bucks, so, or like 700, or I don't really know, but I can't imagine these are worth as much as the retail anymore, especially a worn pair. There's your first shoe out. It's a size 10 hyper adapt 1.0. That is definitely a first. Now, if you're interested in this pair of shoes or any of the other shoes that come out in this video, go down below, find my website. You can contact me through there, or they might even be for sale on that website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Wow, that's a weird way to start a box. So it looks like there's not many more in here. So I'll grab this. It's a Nike ID box. Nike IDs are really, really tough to sell. What is this? It's a Nike ID Air Max size 10. No idea. It's like a Air Max, I think it might be in a Flyknit Air Max 1 or something. The sole is kind of weird. Nike IDs just don't hold any money because they're customizable, which is cool and everything, but as far as reselling them, there's really not much I can do, so probably not much value there. Size 10, Nike ID Air Max 1 Flyknit something, I don't really, this box is real weird already. Only way to go is up, I guess. This next one, this is a size 10 Nike Air Vapor Max Flyknit ID. Some kind of red Vapor Max, it's a Nike ID. There's no laces, so that's kind of weird, so it's basically a slip-on. Again, like I just said, Nike ID, not much value. So don't know what I can do with these. If you like red shoes, I guess this is kind of cool, but I don't like red shoes. Or the Vapor Max, to be honest with you. But, oof. So there's that, size 10, Nike ID, Vapor Max Flyknit. Oh boy. There's 3 more in here, they're all Jordans, so that's pretty good. This is a size 10 Air Jordan 4 Retro, according to the box. Okay, cool. Motorsports, 4s. They're worn, but they're in good shape. With 4s, there's always a good chance for some midsole paint cracking, but these are good. Cool. This is a recent release, so I would be very surprised if there would be any creasing here, or cracking, but a little bit of toe box creasing. This is actually not a bad pair quality-wise. These have been worn a little bit, but not too much. Still got 100% stars on the outsole right there. Not much heel drag. These need a good solid cleanup. Probably about $125 to $175 worth of value in these, but size 10, Motorsports 4s. That's not bad. So we got 2 more in here. Grab this. It's a Jordan 11. Size 9.5, Air Jordan 11 Retro. These are the Win-Like 96, Win-Like something. I don't remember what year. Not gonna look it up. It's an all red, basically all red, Jordan 11. Not much wear in the bottom, a little bit of discoloration on the outsole, which is pretty common for 11s. A little bit of creasing on the toe box, which happens on patent leather non-stop because that's just how the world works. But this is a really cool pair, really good size too. I'm just not a fan of red shoes, as you heard before, but 9.5. Jordan 11, Win-Like some kind of year. And we got 1 more in here. It's a Jordan 1. The box is a little bit beat up. It's a size 9.5, Jordan 1. This is a pair of the Shadow Flyknit 1s. Why did I hold this one for the last? Oof. Anyways, they're a little bit worn, size 9.5. I think this box came from the same seller. Not much to say. It's a Flyknit upper. The inside is leather, so it's really tough to get on. Meh. And that's your box. As you can tell from the tone of my voice, I'm very excited about this box. But as we do with every single beater box I get, let's go ahead and give it a grade in the SB Mitch report card. 3 categories: condition, sizes, and hype/value, because a shoe with no hype has no value nowadays. Let's do condition first. So there are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 pairs in this $800 Sole Supremacy Beater Box. Goose egg, none of them are dead stock. So condition on this box, we gotta give it a D-. Sizes, we have a 10, then we have a 10, then we have a 10, and then a 10, then a 9.5, and a 9.5. Pretty safe to say this came from the same person. Sizes on this box, we'll say C-. Hype/value, I don't think there's any value in the IDs. The 11s have some value, but everything else is, I don't know the value on the Hyper Adapts, but hype/value on this box, I gotta give it a D- as well. So with the grade of D- for condition, the grade of C- for sizes, and the grade of D- for hype/value, this is very confusing, very, very, very confusing. $800 Sole Supremacy Beater Box gets a grade of D in the SB Mitch report card. So I gave this box a grade of D. I could be wrong though. I'm just not really pumped on it, but how are we gonna do in terms of value? Huh, MC Hammer? Huh? Answer me.
Break it down.
This is a really weird box. Don't know how I feel about it. How do you feel about it? Let me know in the comments below, because yeah, this is rough. But these shoes are probably gonna be for sale on my website, ransomnotesneakers.com, today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because that's when I restock every week. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If this is the first video you've seen that's new, whoops. Oh well, I guess, but I do have more videos for you, more beater boxes, more just annoying goofiness. So till next time, take care of each other, and remember, if you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because that's the easiest way to be happy. And I'll see you soon. Bye.